So I wanted to share exactly what I'm up to this week in regards to really refining what are my intelligence slash company brain files that are going to be used both in Claude as well as OpenClaw. In general, these files can be used for whatever AI you're working with. What exactly is a company brain? Essentially, it's a bunch of different files where you actually context engineer exactly what it is that you are, whether you're a solopreneur, whether you're a business, whether you're a blog writer. You go and you actually create a company soul file along with additional files that are found in separate folders, things like the agent folder, the skills folder, the reference folder, and so on. So I personally have been working with my own files all this week. I started with a base level, comb of the soul file. That's like one of the key instruction files that you're going to want to do. Now I'm working my way through all the different other files, the skill files, the agent files, and so on. And now that I've got a base level understanding of the context that I could engineer through my brain and through what I've been thinking about, now I'm actually working with my AI to cross-reference any gaps that I might have and things that I've missed. It's been a super productive process. And essentially, I go and run these files by an AI, and as it continues to build upon every file, it's creating context where it can really understand what it is that I'm trying to communicate, the gaps that I'm trying to address within my own business, and make sure that my AI agents here in the future have a great reference and context file to choose from and to look at. I'm getting more and more thorough with all the architecture of my company brain. So yeah, this is huge. If you haven't done this yet with your AI, I think Claude, ChatGPT, anything, you're going to want to slow down and get a nice base level of all of these particular files. And then you're going to want to make sure that you work through them. And then the big tip here is to don't forget to use your own AI to kind of recurse and actually fill out these files even more thorough than your own brain could even think of. And in that process, you end up with a super awesome, file-based, let's say, company intelligence base for your AI that it can actually use to do things like automations, to do things like skills, think proposal skills, all different types of things. So this is going to be something that all businesses are going to wake up to, as 2026 into 2027 kind of, continues to evolve here. Once again, everyone, my name is Eric. I'm from Lunas Labs. Follow for more tips like this.